Oh, when we plug in the stove, it's strong, right? Wow. We had a pressure. Okay, need to boil water. Come on. Okay, what will see you with the left? Oh, okay. You see? Oh, come on. I have one idea.
What?
Yes.
How about your idea? I don't know.
Now we use the toilet every day. And I want to convert our dung to the gear. For using our home life.
Oh, like that, like cooking,
Like cooking, like power food. Yes.
Power food.
Power kitchen.
Good idea. But I don't know how to do.
How to do? I know because I need okay. Okay.
Go.
Here. Okay. You see over dung well? This one for other toilet, and this one for this one.
This one will be.
Yeah, we have two toilet.
For bathing.
No. Yeah. For tum. We will separate.
Okay.
This one over dung here and store here. Yeah. Flow from here to here and store here. We keep it. This dung smell. Hey, not good smell. Bad smell here. Okay. We will convert dung inside to the gear for using. Okay. Okay. You know. Okay. Let me go to.
So it cannot. Boom. This well dung.
Okay. We will take the dung gear from here. Okay. This one. Okay.
This one. Where did you take?
You take the cut here. Okay. Cut here.
I cut.
No, I cut it. You take the glue. Okay. That clean
Make sure it's
glue.
then.
Okay.
One.
Oh. Here. Glue. Okay. Why we take the glue? Because we prevent the air leaking. Okay. It's good. Okay. This one. Okay. This one. No. Okay. This one here. Okay. This one.
Okay. Oh, well done.
Okay.
Oh, give me. I cut it.
Okay. Well done. It's strong. Okay. Salon. We done install at home already. This two part, right? Okay. Okay. Here we do. Okay. You see, Simon? You see? This one. Output. Wow. Okay. Inside here. Okay. And this one input bar. Inside here. And input bar will connect from this pipe, from the dung to here. Inside. And will close off the valve to stop the gear here.
Start here
Okay.
and then we will
take for
here to
using.
use.
Okay.
As a gas.
One. Okay. We take one. This one. Okay. One with this. Okay. Okay.
Done.
Okay then. Screw it. Good. Take it out. Okay, it's firm. Okay. Okay. You take the water glue here. prevent the air leaking or gear leaking here. Okay, gear leaking here. Okay. Okay. Now with the top one more. Okay. Okay. It's firm. This one. Okay, this one. Five. Okay. This one. This. Oh, okay. Wait. It's firm? Okay. This. No more. Okay. Okay. Strong. Okay. It's firm. Hạ bao vào. It's okay. It's okay. It's firm. Make sure this one. It's okay. Okay. This one okay. It's firm. Take air leaking over there. There. Okay. It's gone. All firm?
No leaking.
No leaking?
Yes.
Okay, firm here, firm.
Shame.
Okay.
Good.
Air leaking, do not have air leaking here, but only leaking from here to here. Outflow the gear from here to here only. Okay.
Let me make sure to close the valve.
Make sure to fun. And how long we keep? I want to know, but I know already.
Maybe
I want to know.
1 week.
1 week? No, 1 week. You want to test? 1 or 2 weeks?
1 or 2 weeks.
Or 2 weeks.
Next 1 or 2 weeks we will start to test it.
Okay. Okay, you get here? Okay. Today on time to check over here.
Check over gear thung.
Okay. It.
Oh, have a strong pressure.
It is drum. Oh. Okay. Testing.
Long time out.
Batman.
Không trăng mày.
Okay. Cut it on. Okay. Okay, I have like to go here. Okay. You test. Test here. Test. Oh, come on!
Not good smell. It's bad smell comes from the.
Oh, it's good. Amazing. Now we can convert comment down. Come on. I want you to take one stove and one pot to boil water for our coffee today. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, amazing. Wow, it's great. Okay, it's great. But this one not strong like gears or like the petrol because it's convert from the home and down. No strong pressure. Okay, we keep here and we try cook. Okay, I want stand here. Look here. Okay, need to keep out. This one. Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay, it's good. Okay. Wow, amazing. Okay, you plug here. One more time. Oh, when we plug in the stove and strong, right? Wow.
We have a pressure. Okay, need to boil water.
Okay.
Water here.
Okay. Okay.
Take up the boil. Okay. And we cover it.
Oh, it's strong.
Whoa.
Like microwave. But I think it's
Like
the first
we
time
use
maybe.
gas. But we don't need to spend money. We just spend time to store it.
Okay.
For
Oh,
using.
now let's down. Because the first time. This one. Okay. It's strong. Okay, it's strong. Hey, some old. You see? Yes. It's not strong here. From our drum. Because we use the homemade dung. Okay? It's wrong. But we maybe when we cook, we take a long time for boil water for cooking the rice.
Not same the gas.
For make the
original
soup.
gas.
Yes. Not like gas.
Original.
Yes. Okay.
Comply.
But we take maybe
it's
this
good.
water maybe
If I have 1 age or 2 age, we can
Yes.
boil.
Yes.
We can eat.
and we take a long time to boil it because it's not strong here to burn. And you see here, not strong. And
Very yellow.
when we use the gear,
Well.
and then our pot not dark. Okay, you see dark, it's dark like this.
With the
like this,
gas,
you
no
see.
dark.
But the gear no
smoke.
dark,
No smoke.
no
to
smoke.
cover on the pot.
Yes, okay. No dirty,
Oh.
no dirty.
Darkness.
Yes.
On the pot.
But the same, we use the cow dung, homemade dung, pig dung, the same.
You
Same.
understand.
But not strong like it as our experiment.
But you see, we don't spend the time. I spend money
Yes.
to buy when we
And
use it.
if you want to follow our operation, you need to clear to verify our operation first and easy to install, not much expense. But for keeping for convert from homemade dung to the gear, maybe spend 2 or 3 weeks. We store here 2 or 3 weeks.
If we store long time, we can use it a long
Yes.
and more stronger.
Yes. Okay. Thank you so much for watching.
The last we would like to say thank you all of you that see my video. So hope you to see my next video. And if you like our video, please hit us to subscribe or ring the bell.
And we are support you all the time. If you have any issue or comment or improve my video, please comment below our video. We are react soon.
And ask over by commendation below this video.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for your comment.
Bye bye.
Bye.